How to make it work. Above all, relax. This is your big moment. You're about to deliver your elevator pitch, and it's a big deal. If you're feeling tense, there are several things you can do to help you feel more relaxed. First, plant your feet firmly on the ground, about hip-width apart. Next, connect to your breath. Feel your breath and try to breathe low down in your body, in your abdomen, like this. As you do this, you will feel the tension start to soften. Thirdly, use positive body language. Keep your chest open and your shoulders back, and make eye contact with the people you are going to talk to. And lastly, remember to smile. If you are really anxious and worrying that it will go wrong, tell yourself that people are interested in what you have to say and that they will want to hear your story. Literally, tell yourself that people will want to listen. They will be interested and sympathetic to your message and will respond positively. Your mindset is crucial. You can change a negative mindset into a positive one by telling yourself things that will help to build your self-confidence. So, rather than imagining that people won't be interested in what you have to say, that they won't take your pitch seriously, and why should they listen to you? Remind yourself that what you have to say is important and that people will be interested and will want to listen. Also, tell yourself that they will respond positively. This will help to reduce negative thoughts and boost your self-confidence. One fundraiser I know always puts a brick on the table before he starts speaking. This immediately sparks people's curiosity. They want to hear the story behind the brick. Now, I'm not suggesting that you all carry a brick around with you whenever you are fundraising, but I would encourage you to think about how you can introduce an element of surprise as a means of engaging your audience and making people interested in what you have to say. Also, when you rehearse your elevator pitch, be sure to time it. Use your phone or some other device and make sure you stay within that 1 minute. It's really important.